Welcome everyone to Math 120, the mini session for spring of 2018. My name is Philip Rappel. I'm your course instructor. In this short video, I'm going to walk you through the course, hopefully giving you some information in regards to what I expect and what you need to take care of. Okay? Hopefully answer some questions that you may have. So, this is the Canvas site. This is what you're going to see when you log into Canvas. Now, my screen is going to look a little bit different than yours since I'm the instructor, but again, you'll get the idea here. You're going to have three buttons on the left-hand side. The home screen, the button right here that shows you basically the introduction to the course. This is an accelerated 8-week course. I'm going to emphasize this. You need to be disciplined. You need to be on top of things. This is the same as taking a summer course. People do it if you stay on top of your business, okay, and take care of things. Now, the people, fellow students in your course, and then the modules page. Let me click on modules, and this is how you're actually going to get into the course itself, which is in My Math Lab. Here's a button which gives you information on accessing My Math Lab, and here's the button that actually takes you to My Math Lab. The department requires online courses to access My Math Lab by way of Canvas. So you're going to have to log into Canvas, then click on the My Math Lab button to get into My Math Lab. If you've taken the course before, it should take you directly to the course. If this is your first time taking the course, then you're going to have to sign up. So if you have any questions regarding that, please let me know. I'm going to click onto this button here, and it's going to take me to the course in My Math Lab. Okay? And then this button typically shows up. So it's two buttons to click. Alright, so here's the course. You're going to have the what's up screen. This is a message that I update each week. Everything is being done in My Math Lab. Okay, so this is where we're going to be working from. So read the message each week. I'll note right off the bat, you must submit quiz 1 prior to the official 14th day. If not, you will be withdrawn from the course. Okay, and if withdrawn for a reason, I do not reinstate students for any reason. Okay, the only time I would reinstate a student if it was my mistake. They are very firm with respect to us dropping students and reinstating them. So, again, you need to make sure you take care of things. You can submit quiz 1 4 times, so there's no reason why you can't get that done. Anyway, moving on the left-hand side, you see several buttons. Once again, mine looks a little bit different than yours. The key dates pacing guide, it tells you in summary of when things are due. Okay, once again, I think let's look down here. Where is that? The 14th day is January 22nd for this course. Okay, so but notice quiz 1 is due on the 19th. So you best have quiz 1 due by the 19th because it closes. And again, you got 4 attempts. So if you're not ready for it, take it. Take it at least once. Okay, but again, you should be getting 100%. But if you don't, I have to warn you about being withdrawn from the course. Alright, so look at the key dates and pacing guide printed out. It is a summary of what needs to be done each week. Notice the final exam is March 8th. Again, this is an accelerated course. Moving along, course home, I'm not really too concerned about. Keep in mind, well, this is, oh, I got to fix this. So this is going to be different, okay? My videos are unedited, but this, I need to put up the keep in mind memo. All right, so moving on, course syllabus will show up right here. And the syllabus addendum right here, you should read all of this. Down here is how you're going to be graded. Homeworks, quizzes, tests, a final exam, no midterm exam. The final exam is proctored. When it comes time to schedule, you need to take care of it. You only can take your exam either through Delgado or through ProctorU. All other tests are unproctored. Okay? If you hear the dog in the background barking, well, unfortunately I'm not editing the video here. Alright, moving on. We got to try to keep this under 10 minutes, right? Lecture note. I provide you my lecture notes. If you click here and click right here, it is going to take you to a Google Drive. On this Google Drive, I have my personal lecture notes. The first 3 here are actual lecture notes. But if you look at the ones down here, snapshot, snapshot, snapshot. Typically a snapshot is a short 1 to 2 page document which summarizes a particular topic. This one, Venn diagrams. Okay, as you can see, it's, well, 3 pages, but mostly big long problems. I usually have a video that you can click and watch me explain these particular problems. Okay, so I strongly encourage you to at least do the snapshots. How you get your main information through the book, my lecture notes, online videos, whatever, that's up to you. But I do encourage you to at least look at my snapshots. So here's the Google Drive. If you want, you can copy this to your desktop. That way you don't have to keep going into my math lab if you would like to access this. So you can make a link on your desktop to get directly to the Google Drive. We're going to go back to the course. Each chapter appears on the left-hand side. Chapter 2 shows up here. Basic summary of what needs to be done in Chapter 2. PowerPoint videos. Chapter homework, click on right here. There are your homeworks. There are all the associated due dates. If you click up here, or actually go back, I'd rather show you going back, chapter quizzes and tests. Quiz 1, quiz 2, test 1. Down below, the sample stuff, don't need to do. I can't get rid of it, don't need to do it. Up to you if you want more practice. You hear all your quizzes and your tests. Notice the due dates. This one has to be done by 1/19. I'm warning you. And by 1/28, test 1 has to be completed. And you can't complete test 1 unless you complete the 2 quizzes. The test 1 does not open unless you get the quizzes done. So again, each chapter has its associated folder. There is a final exam review. This final exam review actually is a PDF file, okay, that you can open up, and it's broken down by chapter, so you can use this for practicing or getting ready for the individual chapter tests. Okay, so I think I've covered everything. If you do have any questions, please email me. I did keep this under 10 minutes so I would not lose your attention, but I hope again that you are successful in this course. But again, I remind you, this is an accelerated course. You have to stay on top of things. If you fall behind, then basically you probably will not be successful. So please, when a due date comes up, don't email me trying to explain why you missed that due date. Due dates are due dates. That doesn't mean that's the time you start working on the problem. If a test is due on 1/12, then you should have completed it by 1/12, not logging in and finding the system is down. Okay, so again, I'm happy to work with you. Again, email me, but once again, welcome to the course. Thank you.